Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aisha Alexa for the Sonia. Karibuni sana. So for today's video, it's another exciting video. I thank God. Me, I don't know how I can thank God. Like, hey, I love how God likes to show off on me. Like, these are just blessings after blessing, and I thank Him. I continue praying and thanking Him. So if you're praying for something, just continue praying and thanking God, because I remember, if I talk too much, let me just tell you a little story. I remember we saw this house when they were building it, and we said, like, just jokingly, like, we are going to move into that house. So after like some months, we went there. The gate was not open because I think they were still constructing. So after a while, we went there again. We were like, let's just pass and see how this house looks like and all that. Hey, we saw it. We were in love with that house, and we decided, like, why not? Why not? I so love it. So before I say anything more, let's go. I show you like a new house tour. Thank you. So this is the new house. Welcome to the house tour, a luxury house tour. We thank God. Actually, thank God. Hey, Mungu, hey. Like God likes showing off. Like what Mercy told me, God likes showing off. He's really showing off. So if I talk too much, let me show you guys, because we're sitting from here. We're already in the living room. So as you come in, this is the door, and it also has this part where you can peep if someone has come, if my visitor has come, and we make sure that you can before I see. So that's it. I love this door so much. I love the fact that it has that thing that I can be able to do, because my previous home, it doesn't have anything where it can show like who is on the door. So someone has to call me before they come so that I can know who's on the door. As you walk this way, this is the living room. It has this large open window door. I so love it. Actually, the space is so huge. I love the fact that they are painted with white, and the fact that it has like two fixtures where I can put two bulbs, this one and the other one. So the other advantage about this living room, it has so many sockets. I so love it. It has those ones there, others here, just in case like you want to change your setting, your seating, how you want your seats to be, where you want them to be. That's the advantage of like this space, plus the lighting it's giving. Hey, as you walk this way, this is the kitchen. Yani an open plan kitchen. Yani God, hey, look at this space. We'll do everything in this space.
It's massive.
Imagine. But I'm still thinking of the things that I will do with this house, with this space. Yeah. So it has a lot of cabinets. New cabinets. Just look. All this.
And you're short.
All these cabinets. This. We haven't cleaned it yet. I'll clean it, I think, the day after tomorrow. So don't mind all that. And I love the fact that I have this. I can put my spoons, my calls, everything here. I so like it. Another thing I love about this kitchen, double sink. I love myself some double sink. Yo, This double sink is everything. Everything. Let's look. We don't like washing utensils, but at least we'll be washing all the time. That's what I love about this kitchen. I love the double sink a lot. I love the fact that it has a lot of cabinets. Just look, all these cabinets. All that. I love it. I love this kitchen so much. So that will just go straight in, cook up. Plus, let me show you a bit of the balcony. Another thing I love about this house, the fixtures, the indoors, I'm saying that. Plus also the kitchen has a lot of sockets. There's this one there, there's another one there, there's another one there, there's another one here, there's another one here. Like, maybe they thought of new kitchen electronics, kitchen appliances. I thank you God. I thank God. So let's go to the bedroom. So the next part that we're going to is the guest bathroom. So come with me. There is no light, but hopefully you can be able to see. And it's not like the other one. The other one, we have like a different bathroom and toilet for the guests. This one, it's just all in one, 2-in-1, but I really don't mind. But I just love it. Love it. Plus it's spacious. Just look, I love this thing. I've always wanted this thing so that I can put my shower gel, my skincare, those small things that can spoil me, my shower routine. I love the fact that it also has this for putting my towel. The other house doesn't have. So I love this. It's an added advantage. As you go to the sink, I can love this sink. Maybe love this sink.
It's modern.
It's modern. Let's look. Yo, I so love this sink. This is where I guess to put the toothbrush. I think I'll install a mirror over here so that when someone does their skincare or anything, they can be able to use that. I love this, and I love the fact that this house is new, so that means I love the fact that this house is still new, meaning no one has used these things. So unlike the other one, it had a stain, and I was thinking on how I'm going to remove it. But anyway, God worked His magic, and we love God for that. We so love God for that. So the next part, I think we are going to the office. So this is when you come out of the guest bathroom stroke washroom, you come into the office. This is the office. Unfortunately, this room doesn't have cabinets, but anyway, we can customize our own cabinets. But I love the fact that it has these big windows where I can create content, big content. Me and my content girl here will create content after content. Okay, God did His wonders. Plus, apart from that big window, it has this extra window. It's an added advantage. Apart from this. So this is the office, but they're still going to do some stuff with it because they haven't finished doing some final touches. That's why I also came so that I can see what they have done before we move in. So this is the office. That's it for the office. Let's go now to the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. I love this. I love this bedroom. Actually, those windows, you're like, itakuwa inaniamsha. Hey, inakuwa inaniamsha. But I love the fact that I love light, so it's not an issue for me. I love the windows. I love everything about this one. It's so pretty. I love the floor, the tiles, and the pots. It's probably thought they put work into it. It's so pretty. Plus the fixtures too. They also have like so many sockets, 1, 2. Yeah, plus extra for just in case. But one thing that it's a disadvantage of the room, it has only this, and it's kind of small. So I think I'll have to like customize another one so that it can be able to fit all the clothes that we have. So let me show you guys. So this like looks like. Here you can put your long coats, some small things, maybe skincare and all that. Plus there I'll just put the suitcases. Yeah, so that's it for that wardrobe. And the next one is this one. So you just put the shirts, tops. Here's for the coats. That's what I do. I'll put the coats over here. Yeah, but I'll figure out before like today ends, like what I'll be doing with this space, how I'll arrange my stuff. Plus I love the color of this carpet. Okay, it's so nice. It's so bright. Unlike the other one. So the next part is the master in suit. It's big. It's so big. Look at all this space. You're doing your business here when another person is doing their business. It's even bigger than the other house, meaning the inside of the other house. This one is here. It's double because the other one is like half of this. This one is double this side. I love that. Love it. The bathroom. Imagine since I have nails, I was a nail. But when I don't have, I'll just press. Yeah, plus it also has this fixture here where I can put my towel, tissue, and all that. Oh, the tap is giving. Plus here I'm going to do something extra with this place. But we'll see. God will take control and charge. So plus that, yeah. Shower gel, everything, showering. Hey, I love this space. It's so nice. So yeah, so that's it for the ensuite. That's it for the house tour. Hope you loved it. Akimia, love this house. Hope you love this house. Me love it. I love this house, and I really thank God. So before I close the video, just trust in God. Pray to God. Anything that you want, just pray and let Him take the lead, and He will do whatever you want Him to do for you. Okay. So anyway, guys, I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, can subscribe and hit the notification button so just in case I get to upload a new video, you get notified. Bye. Thank you so much.